What if you had to see Europe with almost nothing and let the world decide what happens to you? Hi, I'm Jisha, and this summer I'm on a mission to see as much of Europe as I possibly can. But I'm not doing this like a normal tourist. I've turned my entire Europe trip into a game. There are rules, there are challenges, and I have absolutely no idea where this game is going to take me. I only have one motive. I want to show you all that life can be so much more if you just do the things that scares you. There's also this quote that says,
You have to do scary things in order to get the life you want. In order to get the life you want, you have to be different than what you are right now.
and maybe that's exactly why I'm doing this, because I'm scared. I don't know how this game is going to end. I don't know who I'll meet or what I'll have to do to keep moving. But I know one thing for sure, I'd rather be scared and living than safe and wondering what could have happened. So this is my attempt to see how far I can go with almost zero money and the kindness of the world. Welcome to the 0 rupees Europe tour, baby. Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new here, hi, my name is Jisha and welcome to my world. I just want to start the video as soon as I can because this is like the most exciting thing I've done in my life. Before I tell you everything, this is a 0 rupees Europe tour. Whatever I do, whatever I eat, whatsoever activities I want to do, how I want to travel, everything depends on my tasks, and I have to perform the tasks in order to earn money. So I have about 50 days to get myself from Germany to Rome, and I have zero money, and these envelopes are the only thing standing between me and my flight back home. Okay, rule number 1. I get to open one envelope every day, and inside every envelope there's a challenge. Rule number 2, if I complete the challenge, I get to earn the money that is written inside this envelope with the task. Rule number 3, that money is all I have to survive on until the next day. Rule number 4, I have to travel from Germany to Rome because my flight back to India is already booked from Rome, and I have around about 35 to 40 days to get my ass to Rome. Some envelope might give me a challenge of $5, some might give me a challenge of $100. So let's see what is gonna happen if I don't earn the money. I can't eat, I can't go to my next country, I can't do anything. We are going to unlock countries by doing a road trip through Europe. If I don't complete the challenge, there is also going to be punishment. But we will talk about that later in the video. Okay, I'll see you guys tomorrow morning because tomorrow I open my first envelope. Today is the only day that I get to enjoy and get to eat a lot of food because I don't know what is gonna happen from tomorrow. I'm really scared and excited at the same time. I don't know why am I doing this to myself. I just want to show you all how pretty this is. There's the lock bridge, something love and lock bridge. So I'm gonna buy I'm gonna buy a lock and just put it there. Yeah, I'll see you guys tomorrow morning. The first thing, let's open an envelope tomorrow. Okay, bye. Hi guys, good morning. Today is the first day of our challenge and I am genuinely so scared to do this. I'll give you guys a little update कि क्या हुआ है सुबह से. Just because this is my first day of my challenge and I don't have any money from yesterday because I did not play any challenge yesterday. I could not have coffee. मैं आपको बता नहीं सकती मैं कैसे रेडी हुई हूँ नींद से उठ के. मेरी नींद नहीं खुलती है कॉफ़ी या चाय के बिना. And I could not have coffee. And the first thing I am gonna do after I complete this challenge is get myself a cup of coffee. So yeah. Let's do this for the cup of coffee. We have almost 30 envelopes and we are going to open one today. Let's do it together. Of course, we're going to do it together. I'm going to shuffle this because there is no way, nothing is written on them. You can check, nothing, absolutely nothing is written on them. So that no one can say that this is fake. And I'm going to shuffle them really well. एक पिंक आ गया इसमें बट वो पिंक हम नहीं यूज़ करेंगे अभी. वो पिंक का मैं बाद में बताती हूँ आप लोगों को कि क्या होने वाला है. एक नीचे गिरा है. Let's just do what any tarot card reader would do. Oh my god. Goodness.
You have to perform publicly for at least 15 minutes. You can dance, sing, act, do a mini performance. If someone voluntarily gives you money, you keep it, plus earn extra 30 euro from the envelope. Okay. If any stranger voluntarily gives me money, I can keep it, and then plus I get to earn 30 extra euros for that. And the whole challenge is worth of 75 euros. This is a very big challenge. This is like 75 euros ka challenge. So, oh my god. I'm really scared. I'm really scared. I'm scared for my life. The anxiety has started hitting in. मैं इतना ज़्यादा अभी फ्रीक आउट कर रही हूँ बिकॉज मैं अभी तक रिसेप्शन में बैठी थी तो मैं चिल्ला नहीं पा रही थी. आई रियली वांट टू स्क्रीम. I'm really scared. I just realized थोड़े टाइम पहले that I cannot take a train. I cannot take a train to the spot that I'm going. I have to walk and it's 1 hour 21 minutes walking. I have to walk for 1 hour 21 minutes. I've worn my flats. मैंने flats पहन लिया इसलिए because I cannot be walking in heels. So yeah. चैलेंज से भी पहले मेरा फर्स्ट चैलेंज था दैट आई हैव टू वॉक फॉर 1 hour 21 minutes. So now all I'm gonna do is walk. मैं गलत वॉक कर रही हूँ. Oh my god. I don't know how I'm gonna do this. But that's the fun part. Okay guys, I'm only 8 minutes away. I'm literally only 8 minutes away. I'm so happy. Oh my god. It's so pretty, oh my god.
And you feel like so small in front of
Exactly. Such a pretty place. Wow. I made a friend, guys.
Frankfurt City.
Yes, and we are planning to travel together already. It's been what, half an hour? We are
And
together.
we're making plans.
Yeah, it's for the whole Europe trip. Yeah.
To not take a public transport.
No, it's like so. If I get this money, if I complete my challenge and get this money, then I can use it.
Ah, okay.
And then tomorrow I have another task. And with all this money, I have to unlock
Okay.
my next country. And
so cool.
yeah, say hi. Guys, I met. She's from here only, and she's gonna take a few pretty pictures of mine.
Of course.
And-
there's a very pretty girl.
Oh my god! And I just explained her about my challenge. The way that I have walked till here, you all know already.
And it's so inspiring, actually.
You
I'm
know-
taking notes.
Oh my god! I just made her read the challenge. Today's challenge. I don't know how am I going to do it, but yeah, we have to do it. She just asked me if I want to have a coffee, and I was like, bro, I can't have a
First
coffee.
things first.
I can't. But let's get you a coffee.
No, it's fine.
It's okay. It's okay. You can have a coffee.
I don't want to, like, you know.
It's okay. That's fine. No problem. I don't know what to sing.
Like
Guys.
on the spot, I cannot tell you.
Yeah. So, hi. We are at the Love and Lock Bridge, right?
Yeah, it's called Eiserner Steg. It's called Eiserner Steg. It's very windy here, and we're gonna do something very special.
I'm gonna perform my first challenge here. There are so many tourists. There are so many people, but I'm gonna stand here.
Do it.
I'm gonna sing here.
I'm so
gonna-
excited because I'm gonna hear her for the first time live.
No, please. It's gonna be very bad because I'm
No.
stressed. What should I sing?
You can sing anything from Bollywood, like Hindi singing is fine for you.
Yeah. We have to perform for 15 minutes. Let's just do
Yeah.
5 minutes here. Start.
Start.
अभी ना जाऊं छोड़ कर किधर.
You know, looking back at that moment when I was leaving the hotel, I was genuinely terrified. I remember thinking, how on earth am I going to pull this off? But somehow God kept sending the kindest, most beautiful souls my way, and Hania was one of them. I genuinely couldn't have done this without her. So, a huge shout out to her for being a part of my very first challenge.
It's almost 2 minutes.
That's fine for
Yeah, that's fine for. What's your favorite song?
I don't have one favorite song. I have
Like something that you love listening to.
Spotify. A rap song. Just kidding. I guess like the old ones. That Zid Na Karo. Ki Zid Na Karo.
Oh, okay.
I don't know why I'm like these songs. But like the old ones.
Yeah, let's do
Yeah?
Ajane Ki Zid Na Karo.
Okay.
Okay, our timing starts now.
आज जाने की जिद ना करो, आज जाने की जिद ना करो, हम मर जाएंगे, हम तो मिट जाएंगे.
Okay.
How many minutes?
Okay.
Oh, that was so
Okay.
nice. Sung so beautifully, like I can't. That was so nice, and it's like my favorite song. Loved it.
No, but it was so bad. I'm telling you, it was so bad. Like I can sing much better than this.
No, for me it was like perfect.
I'm like shivering. Everyone that's coming from that side
Yeah.
is looking at me. What is she doing?
Doing. And it's so windy, and actually it's
Yeah.
very difficult to sing.
Exactly.
But she did it so well.
Hi guys, I am back. So till now we did 2:33, and now we are gonna dance here. Let's play some music and let's dance here. What music do you want?
You can play anything.
Loved it.
Thank you from that video. Now we're performing.
Oh my god, it's so funny. Bro. Guys, we did for 5 minutes 50 seconds. That's good. I am so serious about this challenge. Tell them that did I drink water?
She didn't drink it. I'm the only person drinking that. And it's so hot today, but she's taking it very serious. I want her to complete her challenge now, so maybe we can drink or snack something. So sing now.
So there was this one time Hania was behind the camera as I was like trying to sing and dance everywhere in Frankfurt, and this is what she said about me behind the camera, and this is so wholesome. Just listen to it.
Everyone's getting distracted because there is this beauty over there. We just randomly got like the idea to call her like the Indian Emily, like from Emily in Paris. It's so fun with her. Girl is just doing her stuff. She's like Dora the Explorer. She's doing everything, anything at one time. She's such a I called her all-rounder girl because she does everything. You can do anything with her. Okay, that sounds bad.
God, I cannot believe we are done with the challenge, guys. I'm so happy. Let's go. I can't speak. Let's go and get some food now. Also, I can have some water. I'm having your water.
It's okay.
It's okay, but I can have. Like, I'll reimburse it. Ah. Let's go.
Done.
Let's go. So guys, after completing the challenge, I look kind of this, and we have come to a very like famous place here to have food.
They only have
I don't. Yeah.
veg.
Yeah, veg works. My first bite of the day, and I'm really excited about this. She's not letting me pay, guys. Why did I earn so much for? Look at me. Look at me. This is how I look after
all the struggles.
Okay, so food done. मेहनत की कमाई है मेरी, मेहनत की कमाई. समझ रहे हो तुम लोग? बहुत मेहनत की. I have not eaten anything since yesterday night. But now I have 75 euros to spend.
That's true.
It was so nice meeting you. I have a reason to come back to Germany now.
Yay! She has me now.
Exactly, guys. It was so good. I'm so glad I met you. I'm so glad.
Same here. You're like a sunshine. I swear. Just stay that way and be inspirational the way you are. Do your stuff. Do all that traveling. See the world. I'm gonna see the world.
Please take care and text me once you reach.
We'll stay.
Yes. I'm gonna be back.
Okay.
And you're gonna come.
She's gonna be back.
Yes, you're gonna come
For
with
season
me.
2.
Season 2. But yeah.
Okay, bye.
Be
Take
safe.
care.
Bye.
And message me once you leave. for
Yes.
Stockholm.
Yes. Bye, love.
And just like that, it was time to say goodbye to Hania. And when I started this series, I told you guys that this world is such a beautiful and kind place, and there are people who are like genuinely kind, and Hania is one of the best example that I could give you. And I'm pretty sure the world will remember Hania as a kind human being, and I love that for her. I love you, Hania, and I will see you super soon.
I don't have to walk for 1 hour 29 minutes. I can just take the train. I have money.
And just like that, we are done with day 1, guys. I am honestly so glad I got to experience everything that I did today. We started this journey with 0 rupees, and now we have 75 euros. But more than anything, I am just so happy that I can finally say we completed our first challenge. That means we are officially 1 step ahead and 1 step closer to our goal, traveling all the way to Rome. And the funniest part is, when I performed my first challenge, I genuinely thought that this is it. Nothing can beat this challenge. But with time, I realized that this was actually the easiest challenge I've done so far. Because in the future, there are going to be some crazy challenges that I'll have to take on. And trust me, it's only going to get harder from here. So stay tuned for that. And if you're still watching this, thank you so much for being a part of this 0 rupees Europe tour. It genuinely means more to me than you know. We started with 0 and now we are 1 challenge down. And I'll see you on my next challenge. Bye bye.